Tēnā koutou katoa e te iwi. Ko Jacqui tōku ingoa. Nau mai haere mai ki Mahuru Māori. I'm here to help you participate in our Mahuru Māori campaign this year. This week's kaupapa is reo I te kāuta. So you can see we're in the kitchen. We're in the kitchen, whānau, for this week. What we need you to do is to kōrero to your tamariki about some sentences that would be appropriate for working in the kitchen. Reo I te kāuta. You know, what would it be? Cooking, dishes, putting things away, finding out where things are in the kitchen, whatever it needs to be for you, whatever you want to be. So once you've got your sentences, you set yourself up to teach your tamaiti and you video them. I'm thinking simply it could be kei here, where. So if I was to say kei here, ngā māripi me ngā pauka. Where are the knives and the forks? And then kōrero to my tamaiti, kei here, ngā māripi me ngā pauka. And then they look around, and if they find them, ba-ba-ba-ba, na-na-na, māripi, pauka. It's as simple as that, whānau. It really is as simple as that. Video that, post that on our page, nominate your Central Kids Early Learning Service or kindergarten that you want to support for the campaign. Nō reira e te iwi, karawhiua, Mahuru Māori. Kia ora.